Considering the undeniable role of packaging, the cosmetic and hygienic industries of Iran, too, have provided even further services to society, enjoying numerous researches, modern technology, and efficient management. In response to an ever-increasing need, the industry has made efforts by increasing efficiency to bring into line and focus its capabilities with the current global developments. Tubes are one of the most efficient and elegant forms of packaging used in the cosmetic, hygienic, pharmaceutical, and food industries. Due to the existence of protective layers in tubes such as EVOH, lack of refilling possibility, easy use, consumer confidence in the originality of the product, and compatibility with the environmental standards owing to lack of an aluminum layer, they have attracted the attention of many within the industry proprietors. This kind of packaging has also resulted in a decrease of overhead costs and undeniable appeasing appearance, as it does not require labels. It is also possible to have 6-color prints on the whole surface, as the entire tube could serve as the print area. Mohed Plastic and Packaging Industries was established in 1997 as an active company in the private sector, enjoying the expertise and knowledge of its management specialized in the field of packaging and cosmetic products. The first phase of the plant holds a foundation of 4,000 square meters, observing highly supervised sanitary and safety standards. This industrial complex has been built in an area of 375,000 square meters and is located on kilometer 130 on Tehran-Kazvin Freeway. Relying on the consultation of the most knowledgeable experts in the field of packaging, our company set out to order and purchase the most advanced machinery for manufacturing tubes from Switzerland and Germany in 2001. The installation and inauguration of the production line was conducted with the presence of 4 prominent company experts from Breyer and Bottenfeld from Germany, as well as ISA and Polytypes from Switzerland mid-same year. Moreover, a study tour was carried out at these companies prior to the experts' arrival for the installation of the machinery. The training of the designing department personnel, as well as forming clichés, was also performed in the headquarters of BASF in Germany. All this was done in the light of the company's firm belief in the fact that the process of manufacturing tubes with hygienic standards requires a special degree of attention, supervision, and application of modern sciences in the industry. The materials used in manufacturing different 5-layer plastic tubes include polyethylene, ADMIR, and EVOL, with each having necessary approvals and credits gained from globally prominent control and supervisory institutes such as the FDA of the United States, BGVV of Germany, and the BPF of United Kingdom. Now let's have a look at the manufacturing procedures in the complex. In the first phase, the components are melted under high pressure and temperatures. Then, with the exit of these melted materials from the extruder duct, they enter the die head and then turn into 5 layers. Upon testing and measuring of diameter by Zombach laser measurement instrument, the sleeves are cut into different lengths and are then sent to the shoulder production machine. In this phase of production, all formed tubes undergo a precise quality control. The tubes with any defects in them would be automatically rejected from the production line. The bodies of the tubes are made up of 5 layers. The first inner layer, which is always in closest contact with the filling, is made up of food-grade polyethylene. The second, third, and fourth layers, too, in sequence, are made up of ADMIR, EVOL, and ADMIR again. The outer layer that bears the print of the design is made of polyethylene just like the inner layer. The polyethylene used in the inner layer guarantees a healthy environment for filling. ADMIR laminates different layers as a special sticking layer. As a protective layer, EVIL helps prevent external gases, especially oxygen, from penetrating into the tube. It also preserves the humidity and aroma of the filling. The formed sleeves then enter the header or PTH machine from the exit arm so that, using compression mold method, the shoulder would be linked to the main body. The resulting congruent and seamless surface of the body reflects the beauty of the tube. Moreover, the seamless body provides the possibility of printing on the whole surface of the tube, as the tube does not have any side opening. Upon the completion of the manufacturing process, the print phase begins on the tubes. The machinery for 6-color print has been purchased as a whole from Polytype of Switzerland and is capable of infinite high-quality prints in design on the surface of the tube. The next step is the top seal membrane phase. This fine membrane, which is made up of aluminium, lined with a fine film of polyethylene to prevent the filling of the tube from touching the aluminium layer, is accomplished fully automatically, eliminating any hand operation, and seals the orifice of the tube completely. The last phase of production is capping. The machinery for this phase has been supplied from Polytype of Switzerland. Caps in different sizes are eventually latched onto the top part of the end product. This process is carried out by the injection machinery manufactured by the Bottenfeld of Germany. The designing and cliché making department, itself a key section of the plant, plays a significant role in customer satisfaction and quality of the end product. With respect to these important points, the machinery for the cliché making department was purchased from the BASF Germany, which holds one of the most precise technologies of the day. In addition to the points discussed previously, another benefit of 5-layered plastic tubes with the EVOH layer in comparison to the tubes with the aluminum layer is the possibility to recycle them. In the multi-layered tubes with aluminum, the possibility of recycling the aluminum is nullified due to the different melting points of polyethylene and aluminum. This is while the similarities among polyethylene, Admer, and EVIL in these tubes, and therefore the possibility of recycling, places them in an advantageous position. Mohair Plastic and Packaging Industries enjoys the knowledge of the national experts as well as the consultation of their foreign counterparts. It also makes the best use of the most advanced automatic machinery from the most prominent packaging and print machinery making companies. The complex makes and provides packaging and print services en masse in different sizes in diameters of 19, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 50 millimeters, as well as a 1 and 5 layered body with a 6-color print to be used in cosmetic, hygienic, pharmaceutical, and food products. A word on the policies of the company for providing customer services. Our company is proud to put on the top of the agenda of its working policies a special sensitivity and concern in providing an ongoing service before receiving an order, through the entire production phases, and after the delivery of the products to its customers. In this regard, scientific programming principles, as well as respecting the requirements of the customer, is the most important pattern for the management of the company and the plant.